Now we stand out of the workshop. From the outlooking, we can realize its history. Yes, it's more than 30 years old already. And there are 10 parts in this workshop. Every year there are around 2,000 sets of concrete mixers and 300 sets of concrete batching plants are produced here and sold to the whole world. Now let's move inside the workshop, have a close looking. The first part is the assemble area, where machines are assembled and tested here before delivery. All the spare parts and the semi-finished machines are stacked neatly here, avoid being damaged or lost during the production stage. Now let's move to the second part. Let's go. Okay, now we are at the finishing machining center. First of all, I will introduce the laser cutting machine to you. It is used for cutting the metals like carbon steel, stainless steel, and other kind of metal plate controlled by the computer. And the whole process is automatic. Here we can note the footprint move very fast but with the high sensitivity. It can cut the metal plate in irregular shape automatically with high precision. And it increased the production efficiency very much. And now let's go to the other machines called the laser welding machine. Let's go. This is the handheld laser welding machine. The design is very compact, very convenient for changing the working place. The welding seam is very beautiful, free from the welding scar, discoloration, deformation, and no polish needed, save the labor cost. The welding speed is much more fast compared with the traditional way, and the weld is very firm. The strength of welding can be the same or even better than the base metal itself. This is another more advanced finishing and machining center with various facilities. Now please follow the camera to have closer image of all the equipment.